You are in the club. This is our special Paris edition. We are going to take you behind the scenes of the grand trailer launch of Befikre, starring Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor. Aditya Chopra is back after 8 years. Here's what's coming up on the show. A behind-the-scenes look at Befikre's grand trailer launch at the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Girlfriends, scandals and marriage. Ranveer Singh's explosive tell-all interview from Paris, an India Today exclusive. Well, we are outside our hotel with a handful of Ranveer Singh fans. Make some noise for Ranveer Singh. Yay! And let's hear it from Vani Kapoor as well. Yay! Befikre, who's excited? Yay! Okay, which is your favorite Ranveer Singh film?
Bagheera Mastani.
Band Baja Barat.
Okay, as we can see, the white limousine is all set over here. This will escort Ranveer Singh directly to the Eiffel Tower. So let's cut the queue and go to the Eiffel Tower. Ranveer Singh is here. Make some noise one more time for Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor. Ranveer completely out of control. I mean, today, mere khabo mein jo hai, videos have been going up. But that's normal for Ranveer Singh. This is a great moment. First trailer launch in Paris. Amazing. Talk to me about this moment.
It's absolutely incredible. I'm really nervous because I have to go up and make a speech. But I'm extremely excited that everybody is going to see the trailer. I love it. Vani, do you like the trailer?
I think I'm absolutely gone. I'm in love with it.
So she's a bag of nerves right now. I've been trying to calm her down and stuff like that. And I think we are being joined right now by the mayor. Hello, madam.
I'm so happy to see you. Hi. Merci. Welcome to Paris. You are very proud. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies,
Yes.
Sushant, I will catch you in a few minutes. Namaste. My heart is pounding. मेरा दिल धर ऐसे कर रहा है. So I have a very, very special connection with this city. I have come here on a romantic holiday with my lover. I think my hands are sweating. I think this mic is going to slip out of my hands. So before I embarrass myself any further, I think we should all watch the trailer. Madame, vous êtes magnifique. That's all the French I know. But it's come in handy. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the trailer. You want to see the red underwear scene again? I really want to see it again, guys. Can we see it again, please? That's the first time I'm seeing the finished product also. It's right here with you guys. I'm really, ma'am, with your permission, can we just see it one more time? Have I thought of doing Dostana too? The question is usually who would you like to be cast opposite you if you were to do Dostana 2? And I have a ready answer. Obviously, light of my light, love of my life, Arjun Kapoor. My Baba. Any questions about the trailer, guys? Sir, you've assumed that I have a girlfriend. I had come many years ago with a girlfriend of mine. I've also had a Parisian girlfriend, by the way. Yeah, this beautiful Moroccan girl.
Hey, señorita, आपके खोपड़े पे 12 क्यों बजे हैं?
I've been asked this question a lot of times. People are, what is the secret of your energy? And how do you stay so happy and positive?
I know it.
What is it?
Black coffee. Chilled black coffee.
Chilled black coffee is the root of all evil. It's the reason for all my bad behavior. I believe in this philosophy greatly. Kal kisne dekha? You know, today we are here, tomorrow nobody knows what's going to happen. So I live each day like it's my last. इतनी एनर्जी लाते कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ थे पिछले 5 मिनट से? 10 मिनट से मैं एक ही आंसर दे रहा हूँ इनके सवाल का, और अब आप पूछ रहे हैं कि इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से लाते हो? अरे शर्म करो यार.
So basically, will be released on the 9th of December worldwide, and on behalf of Yash Raj Films, I would like to thank all of you for being here tonight.
We are at the Eiffel Tower, first floor, with the gorgeous Vani Kapoor. Vani, great comeback now. You made a video, said that, you know, the wait was almost never ending, but good things come to those who wait.
Thank you, Sushant. Yeah, I think so. The good things really do come in your life if you're patient and if you're, if you believe in yourself and you just don't give up, I guess.
And Befikre with Ranveer Singh, directed by Aditya Chopra, is coming back after 8 years. I mean, this is a dream.
Grandeur, yeah, it's couldn't get any better. I'm blessed to have had such an amazing team at such an early stage of my career. I mean, even, despite knowing the fact that everything about this movie is so big and grand, one can't ignore the simplicity and the honesty that it's been made with. There's only love and warmth, and we all have come together, the entire team, and we've made it with so much love and joy.
Talking about love and warmth, I saw some girls carrying Kiss Me Befikre style posters out there.
Ranveer is going to be stocked in how post this movie, because I think he's looking his best in the film.
And what about you? I mean, this kissing spree.
Right, I'm just sailing through.
And this kissing spree that you've been, cashing on in the posters. Talk to me about that concept.
For us, in fact, for the director, Aditya Chopra, he's treated kisses as hugs. It's only warmth and love and affection. It's not been, it's not captured in a way where it looks, tacky, or it doesn't look too offensive or provocative. So it's been captured with so much, how do I say?
Finesse.
Finesse, and it's been shot so beautifully that you can't get offended.
Well, it's time for a short break now, but on the other side, an exclusive interview with Ranveer Singh and Vani Kapoor. You do not want to miss this.
दुनिया में कितनी है नफरतें, फिर भी दिलों में है चाहतें. पप्पी ले ले.
Firstly, this is like the 2016 version of Shah Rukh and Kajol, minus the clothes, plus the PDA, plus the kissing, plus the micro minis. I mean, talk to me about these characters.
क्या हो गया आपको? क्या हो गया आपको आदि सर? क्या हो गया? What has happened to Aditya Chopra? I hope it gets passed, and if it does, then you will all see me butt naked in the film. Now, do you want to watch it? I don't know.
What do you mean when you say you're butt naked in the film?
Butt naked, bro. What does butt naked mean, Sushant?
In an Indian
What
context,
does it
you're
mean?
butt naked in Befikre.
It literally,
In an
I mean
Aditya
it in
Chopra film, you're butt
I
naked.
mean it in a literal sense.
He's butt naked in the film. Let's watch
ये
out for
जो
us.
हमारा पिछवाड़ा है, वो आपको फुल ग्लोरी में दिखेगा शायद, अगर हमारे
And
प्यारे मित्र मान जाए.
What is Mr. Pehlaj Nilani going to say about that?
Exactly, he's the प्यारे मित्र who I am hoping will see that, it's I think Labon Ka Karobar did what Adi sir was hoping that it would, was to go a long way to kind of normalize the act of kissing. My favorite type of kiss
Wow, it's soft kisses on the face. You know, the ones that are full of affection. I think I'm looking fantastic today. Do you want to go out on a date?
You'll propose me like Anil Kapoor?
Wow, she guessed it right. Don't lie, you Zalil. Don't lie.
Acha.
Vani's favorite kisses are the full-on kisses. Arrgh.
God.
Dragon puppies.
Acha, one makeout adventure like we saw in the film, where you in the car.
Bro, I've had my share. Let me tell you.
Say it.
I've had some really wild ones, guys. I've had some really wild ones. Yeah, we were watching a movie and it was very boring, so we had to
In the theatre.
yeah, keep ourselves occupied. And we were on a nature trail in a nature park, and you know, it was very cold and nippy, so we had to generate some body heat, some jismani garmi, things like that, you know.
Sorry, no. That was 90s. Do something original now.
Okay. I've had many girlfriends, and back in the day, like a decade ago, I used to be in a lot of insubstantial relationships, so to speak. But of late, I'm a changed man.
You're a changed man, committed guy.
My outlook on romantic relationships has evolved. Let's put it that way. You know, you think about the future. It's only natural. You think about you know, things like being a family man and stuff. Like what do the next 5 years hold for me? These thoughts. I mean, I'm 31 now, so it's only natural that these thoughts are occurring to me. Vani, would you like to go out on a date?
Oh, Amrish Puri!
Yeah, you got the wrong Puri, Vani.
What Puri?
Wow,
Amrish
man,
Puri.
you gotta sort your knowledge out, yeah.
With that, it's a wrap on this special Paris edition of In The Club. Do send me your feedback at Sushant_I today on Twitter. Till next time, thanks for watching and goodbye.